Okay, so here's the rest of this. We have 2 more slides left to do. These are the tricky ones, so we're going to walk through this step by step. So we are figuring out how much, we have 1 milliliter of water that weighs 1.09 grams, and how much does a pound, or how many pounds does a gallon of water weigh? So we're going from grams to pounds, and we are going from milliliters to gallons. From there to there, and from there to there. Okay, so 1.09 grams per milliliter, 1 milliliter. And let's go from grams to pounds first. So actually, with this conversion right here, we can go straight there. There's 450 grams per pound. So 450 grams per 1 pound. Okay, so that takes care of grams. And we're going to go from milliliters to gallons. So, oops, let me just circle this. That one's good. Okay, milliliters to gallons. Okay, so we want to go from milliliters to ounces, and then from ounces to gallons. So remember, since we're starting with this one down here, we're going to put it up above the vinculum. So 0.03 milliliters is the same as 1 ounce. And to put that in perspective, there are 8 ounces in a cup. A cup meaning like, you know, like a measuring cup, right? Like 1 cup is 8 ounces. You can think about like 20-ounce drinks and stuff like that. Oh, that's going to mess up my lines. I'll just keep it. Okay. So then we want to get rid, so we've gotten rid of milliliters, now we want to get rid of ounces and go to gallons. So there are, according to this, there's 128 ounces per 1 gallon. And that actually, that's it. That's it. We took care of our milliliters, took care of our ounces, so pounds per gallon. Okay, so we're going to multiply across the top. 1.09 times 1 times 0.03 times 128 is going to be 1.09 times, sometimes I like to just do the 1 just because it's there, 0.03 times 128. Okay, so 4.18 pounds. Oops. 4.18 pounds, which can also be shown as lbs, pounds. And then divided by 450 gallons, which looks weird to me. Did I do this right? I think I messed something up here. Hold on just a second. So I figured out what went wrong there. I had this mixed up. I had 1 milliliter is actually 0.03 ounces. So we're going to say 1 milliliter is 0.03 ounces. There we go. Okay, I'm going to scooch this over a little bit. Okay, so now let's try this again. So 1.09 times 128.
Can you record this on? No.
139.52 and 450 times 0.03. 13.5. Okay, that looks better, because this, when I think about how this is going to line up, this is essentially like a tenth of that. I'm looking at 13 and 13 right there. So, or I mean like, yeah, this is a tenth of that, meaning that that total is going to be about 10 pounds, which is what I would expect. So 139.52 divided by 13.5. 10.33 pounds per gallon. Okay, so that's that one. Okay, so if there are 4.22 grams of moss per centimeter here, how many pounds per foot is that? So thinking about how much it weighs when you have a certain like a certain size of it, how much that size like weighs. Okay, so 4.22 grams divided per centimeter. So we want to go from grams to pounds. So I remember that there are 450 grams per pound. And okay, so that gets rid of grams, and we are set with pounds. So now we're going to go from centimeters to feet. So centimeters down here, centimeters up here. So 2.54, oops, 2.54 centimeters is the same as 1 inch. And there are 12 inches per foot. And I can check this along the way because it was grams per centimeter before, and we're going to pounds per foot, so we're ending up with pounds on the top and feet on the bottom, so that's looking right. Okay, so pounds per foot. So we're going to do 4.22 times 2.54 times 12. $128.62 pounds over 450 feet. So looking at that right there, that looks like it's going to be about 0.25 pounds per foot, like a quarter of a pound per foot. So let's do that math real quick. Divided by 450, yep, 0.285, so 0.29 pounds per foot. Okay. So that's that. That's the thing. Nice work.